Hi you guys, today I'm gonna do a review on the VS belt. Now my scooter have a Bando belt, which is great, but you always need a spare one with this Chinese scooter, so I ended up buying one. Now I bought the one from eBay $8, so this is from Bando too, but as you can see, and then I later find out it's not the real belt, so I ended up buying the real one. So this is the real one. So let me tell you what's the difference between two belts, so later on you might not want to buy, so you won't have that problem, but we're wasting money on the fake one. Now this is the fake one right here. It still said Bando. Everything still look good. Everything look nice. Well, if you only have the fake belt, then you probably won't know the difference. But if you compare alongside with the real one, which I bought, so the fake one is $8 and the real one I bought, I think it's $23. So you can find this. Well, I bought it online store, so it's not from eBay or it's not from Amazon. So, but I think you can find from eBay or Amazon with about maybe the same price. Now let me tell you the difference here. As you can see right here, you see the rubber on here look all dry up, and as you can see the stitching on here too, it doesn't look that good. See the stitching on this side. Now if you compare that, you see that? See the rubber is all dry up right now. Look it's all dry up. Now it's a big difference when you look at this, the real belt right here. See the rubber is still look nice. See, even the stitching is double stitch, so that's a real thing, right? I hope the camera can focus on and see the big difference. So as you can see right here, the real and the fake. See the big difference? See, if you have both of them side by side, you know a big difference. Now, when you buy it at home, when you're looking online and you see a picture at home, you probably cannot tell. But there's one distinction that you can tell online is this way. Let me see. On the writing, and you can see the writing. See? The real one is colorful. So basically, you see this white, this green and yellow writing on it, and this one is just plain or white on all the writing. Now the second part is very important. Is the real one is label is made in Japan, as you can see. Now, as you can see on the fake one, there's nowhere it said make in Japan or anywhere else. Well, some of them I see is said make in China, but that's not gonna do it. So make sure you buy the one that said the label said make in Japan. Now, as you know, the belt is very important to your scooter. If I were you, I wouldn't trust an $8 belt, the fake one, to be on road at any time, because you might run into a problem just constantly. And for $23 I think it's very good investment. Compared on the quality you're gonna get out of the real belt. Now, lucky for me, my scooters already come with the original, the real Bando belt, so I don't have to replace it yet. Now, my scooter right now with 800 and about 50 miles, and I checked the belt last week, and it still looked brand new. I did the measurement, and it still haven't worn out yet, or have any problem with worn out. The measurement with the new one, it still have the same measurement. So I figured out this belt is probably gonna last at least 3,000 or 4,000 miles. So I wouldn't be worried, but you know, it's always good to buy ahead of time, because you don't want it to get to the point that, you know, it happened and you ordered. When I ordered this belt, it took about maybe a week and a half before it's arrived. So it's good just to spend $23 ahead of time. Just have it in storage as a spare, so later on if something wrong with the other belt, but I doubt it, then you have another one to replace it. Now the real belt also come with, you know, the package right here, as you can see. So some of them, the fake ones, have this package too, but it's fake. So you gotta be careful. I check a lot of video and I check online, and you know, sometimes they show exactly two of them exactly the same. They look everything the same. So how can you tell when you go online trying to buy one? You know. So this is the one that. So after watching this video, I hope you get the idea that which one is the real one and which one is the fake one. So you can, you know, confidently buy the real one, and instead of getting a rip up and bought the, you know, the fake one. So make sure it said made in Japan. And usually this run out pretty fast. So if you can get your hand on it, or you can find like a discount on it, and go ahead and buy it, because it's worth your money and it's gonna worth your time later on. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.